Welcome to my YouTube vlog. So today's vlog we're gonna talk about troubleshooting your DJI Pocket 2 wireless connection. Probably you're gonna searching for the internet and then you cannot find the solution. You try to restart, and then update your device, and still your phone device cannot search your DJI Pocket 2 do it yourself Wi-Fi, right? I know, I've been there, I've been that, couldn't find it. So I'm gonna teach you how, because there's no troubleshooting here in YouTube that I couldn't find the answer. So I'm gonna show you. So right now I'm recording through my DJI Pocket 2 wireless connection with my phone wirelessly attached. So I'm just gonna phone record it just to help you troubleshoot it. First you have to do is manually connect your DJI Pocket 2 with your phone device, the small one, and then connect your phone. Okay, just like here, connect this and tack, and then we're gonna manually set up all the settings so you can connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, so you finally connected. I'm recording it using my phone recorder. Go to press over here, Wi-Fi setting. Yep, Wi-Fi frequency. Automatically it's in auto. You just have to use 2.4 gigahertz or 5.8. Just try both of them until your Wi-Fi is connected. That's the only main reason why your Wi-Fi connection is not capable of. It depends on your phone sometimes because of the update, but that's the only thing. Okay, and your Wi-Fi name, you can change your password here and then Wi-Fi name. Okay, now that I have helped you for the solution, help my channel, please like and subscribe. That's the only thing you have to do. If you already tried restart and manually update it and still not connected, just physically connect your DJI Pocket Wi-Fi 2 and then manually choose any gigahertz. Okay, that's the only solution. And then after you manually check it, you just have to restart your phone and restart your DJI Osmo Pocket 2, and voila, it's gonna find its way to connect your phone to your DJI Pocket 2. That's it. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more of these. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, that will be nice. Thank you.
Maglalakbay ako patungo sa kawalan, upang mamulit kong pangarap sa buhay at susubungin ko itong kadiliman. Makita ko lamang ang liwanag ng katarungan. Ipagpaliban ang yuta ko, harapin mo ang pangalit.